Hello friends, welcome back to Tutorial Ace, and in this series you are learning PHP MySQL. So this is the second video of this series, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up environment. That means which software will be required in your local machine to run PHP successfully. So you have two options here. First one is PHP, then Apache and MySQL. Individually you can download all these and you can configure and run one by one. Second option is you can install Xampp or Xampp server. So if you install Xampp, then Xampp is nothing but a software package which contains all these. So if you install Xampp, then automatically all these will be installed together. You don't have to install it separately. Same way, web is just like Xampp. So if you install, then PHP, this PHP, MySQL, Apache automatically will be installed. So in earlier days, when there was no Xampp and Vamp, then we had to install one by one on local machine, then it would work. But now it's very easy, just you install a Xampp and it will work. So now let's see how you can do this. Let's go to Google and search here Xampp. Individually if you want to install, but it's not required at all. Okay, this is not recommended. PHP download, if you go here, then individually you can download PHP from here. Okay, then you can install separately. But same way, if you want to install Apache, all these are separate software. Okay, Apache download. Actually, Apache, this TVS Apache is showing here. Okay, so you can download Apache separately from here. Same way, here MySQL you can download separately. But I would recommend you to use rather than Xampp, so that you won't have to install and download separately. Rather, at one place if you download, then automatically it will work. So the latest version is 8.xx, and there are three versions available here for Windows, Linux and Mac OS X. So according to your machine, you can download from here whatever version you need. So it's easy, just you click here and then automatically it will start downloading. It's downloading. Once this is downloaded, double click on this and install. Actually in my machine a Xampp is already installed, but I will show you installing this. Maybe just Xampp 8 or something, I will rename it. Yes, okay, next. It will say Xampp is already in my machine, so now I will rename it as Xampp 8 because Xampp is already in my laptop installed, that's why. So now next, and it will start installing. Okay, it's installed. It asks me to allow access, so just click on this. And finally finish. So now this panel started. If you want to see where it got installed, then go your C drive and then Xampp 8. I've already installed Xampp, that's why, as you can see, that is why I just installed this one. And then after going here, what you will do, just check here this Xampp control.exe. If you double click on this, then this one will open, and after this you have several options, but what you need to start is just start this Xampp and MySQL later when you will be using. So just click on this and then Xampp successfully, Apache successfully started on this port number. After this, you can start this MySQL also. So you can see MySQL also started successfully. Once this is installed, what you need to do, just type here HTTP and then colon localhost. In the browser, you need to type this, then press enter, and successfully the Xampp started. If you want to check, this is PHP admin where you can create tables and all that. Okay, so guys, this way you can install Xampp. Apart from that, if you don't want to use Xampp, rather you want to use WAMP, then you can download WAMP server also. But personally, I like Xampp server and it's more comfortable in using rather than WAMP server. So you can download WAMP server from here if you like. And inside this folder, we will be working inside htdocs, this folder. Okay, so whatever file we will be keeping in this htdocs folder only. Remember, your HTML file can run from anywhere. For example, if you have put that in D drive, desktop, anywhere, but in case of PHP, you have to put your file inside htdocs only. Okay, so you have to keep this in mind. So guys, in this video, that's it. In the next video, I will show you how we can write and start working on PHP. So stay connected and let's meet in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.